Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use e-filing SARS Easy Guide. Log in to e-filing, navigate to the tax type you need, select the relevant form, and follow on-screen prompts to complete each section accurately and save progress frequently. When filing returns, select the right form and enter accurate income and deduction figures to avoid penalties. Use the upload feature for receipts and supporting files, then use the preview to confirm totals, reconcile bank entries, and submit once everything validates correctly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle while working through long e-filing sessions to stay refreshed, and it fits easily in cup holders. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. To handle payments and corrections, choose a secure payment method and keep confirmation references for your records. If an error occurs, use the amendment feature or reach out to SARS support, attach evidence where needed, and track the change until the system reflects the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.